There's 3 programs within the engineering technology department. Currently we have manufacturing engineering technology, quality engineering technology, and design engineering technology. Students can expect a lot of hands-on experience in the engineering skills that they're going to need in order to get good engineering jobs in this region. The type of students I think that are going to be most interested in the engineering technology programs are going to be students that like to solve problems. If you like math, if you like design, if you're interested in building things, if you're just curious how the world works, how machines work, that kind of thing. Those are some of the types of attributes that a student would be successful here at BTC with. The kinds of jobs that people can get after getting a degree with Blackhawk is going to vary depending on the program that you're in. Manufacturing engineering technology, industrial engineers, a lot of the mechanical engineering. If you're into building things, if you like to design things, you'll be using 3D CAD software, 2D CAD software. There's a number of different job opportunities that could be available for people in the engineering program. A flexible education and a supportive environment means that you meet the student where they are and you try and make their education as accessible as possible. They have the opportunities here to get a good education. They can do so at a reasonable cost. There's good people here. Blackhawk will help you reach your goals.